with her sister.
Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me because of my air conditioner? Sorry, y'all. It is 5 a.m. Whoa, you can't see it on the camera. Anyways, it's 5 a.m. And welcome to the very first day of the Seoul trip vlogs. I don't know how eventful the first day video will be because today is literally just the airport and Hybe Insight, and I'll probably be stressed and busy at the airport to vlog, and you're not allowed to film in Hybe Insight. So y'all might not get any content today, or I might combine tomorrow's vlog with today's vlog. Anyways, we are getting ready for the airport now. I didn't even film my what's in my suitcase video. I don't know if I will film that, maybe at the Airbnb or something, but since we're going to the airport at like 6 a.m, I was like, I'm just not gonna film this video. I'm sorry, y'all. But anyways, I don't know why I feel like nervous and scared more than I usually did when we went to LA. Like, I feel unprepared. I don't know why. I feel like I do know why, but I woke up with the Charlie's horse this morning. OOTD. As you can tell, we didn't go as originally planned with the mesh top under because I realized that you could see everything under it, including my bra, because I wanted to wear a comfy bra, not that fucking Licenza bra. Anyways, I'm freezing. Let me turn off the air conditioner. Ow! Ow! Fuck. And I already packed my deodorant away, so I couldn't put it on. It might smell like processed cheese today. Goodbye, everyone. Why don't you say something? In LA, this was all empty. Not in LA, when we were going to LA. 6:43 a.m. and we got here at like 6. I don't like this.
Yeah, the Tim Hortons breakfast stuff is better than Starbucks.
Yeah, I like the farmer's bacon wrap. We have finally settled down. The process this time around was so much faster, even though it was more crowded. I thought it was gonna be so much more crowded. I thought we were gonna be standing in lines for days. When we were at security, they didn't even ask for my shoes. I was ready for that because in LA they asked for, when we were going to LA they asked for our shoes. We skipped one whole process this time around. Last time we had to go through some thing and the guy had to ask us where are we going, and he had to check our passport and our face. We didn't even go through that this time. And I feel like something's wrong. But anyways, now we have 1.5-ish hours till boarding, 2.5 till departure. I'm just gonna sit here. See ya. Aisle seat, empty chair. Wow.
Been on this plane for 8 hours. 2 hours left. I tried to take a massive shit in the airplane washroom, but it was so dirty and I left.
Hello everyone. It is currently 9 p.m. in Seoul, and we arrived here maybe 5 hours ago. I didn't vlog squat. It was so stressful. Okay. So first of all, if you didn't watch the planning video, my sister and I were like, if you didn't watch the planning video, basically Hybe Insight is closing all the days that we're here in Korea, so we changed our flight 1 day ahead so we could make to Hybe Insight. But turns out Hybe Insight only has a special exhibition with no BTS stuff at like 7 o'clock. So we booked one for 5 o'clock. We didn't make it to that, the normal BTS one, but we made it to the 7 o'clock one. We were 40 minutes late. They still let us in even though they said there was 10 minutes left. But when we arrived to the airport, we got our luggage, we got our SIM card, we forget to get our 2-way card. Then we got our COVID test, we tested negative. But anyways, so we went to Hybe Insight, that's all that matters. We didn't make it to the BTS one, unfortunately. Look at me, I'm burnt. When I was in the taxi, I felt like I was gonna vomit. I felt like I was gonna diarrhea and vomit. At the last 5 minutes, my mouth started watering. Anyways, that doesn't matter. We went to Hybe Insight. Let me give you a quick haul. Let me do this haul tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It is a new day. We slept at 9 p.m. yesterday and woke up. Well, I woke up at like 5 a.m. I still feel like dizzy. I feel like it's just the atmosphere. Like it has to do with nothing else. Anyways, apartment tour. I mean, Airbnb tour. I'm not going to show you guys an in-depth tour because we're only here for one night. We enter from the tour. What is this? I never looked. Oh my god, she had water this whole time. I bought water. Light switch, mirror. Whoa, she has so many mirrors. Jeez. We walk on in. Here's the bathroom. Won't show you. Here's the kitchen really quickly. Won't show you that much. This is a fridge. This is a freezer. This is I don't remember. Another full-length mirror. Charger and stuff. I like this concept. Counter. This is supposed to be under the counter. This is there. There is an air conditioner. Another full-length mirror. Nothing else I can really tell you guys because I don't really know the ins and outs, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Let's look at the view. Train tracks. And more buildings. Whoa, there's so many buildings. So many identical residential buildings, or I would assume they're residential buildings. I mean, I see a mall. Anyways, let's get back to our Hybe Insight haul. I don't remember what I talked about last night, so this might sound repetitive, but you know, obviously I'm in Korea. It's the Korean language. It's only been one day so far, so we don't know how it's gonna turn out, but it's so embarrassing because I do not obviously know any Korean. And it's making me regret my life because I should have done those daily Duolingo lessons at least so I could recognize some. Like they be talking, I could barely recognize any word. And the thing is, I'm just like standing there speechless and shocked, not understanding what they're saying. That it doesn't even process to me that let's open up Papago. Here's the thing though. So all day yesterday, so when we were getting the SIM card, they spoke English to us, I think, and she like circled things in paper, so it was like a love and visual aspect. In the taxi part, I feel like the taxi part was, you know, let me just say, but so far the part where we spoke English with someone was in Hybe Insight and at the COVID testing center. And this is not me complaining at all. I'm just saying like I'm so embarrassed that I don't know the Korean language even though I went to Korea. So anyways, let's move on to the Hybe Insight haul. I feel like I got so much more stuff, but it looks like there's nothing in here. Let me tell you, the prices were cheap as hell compared to if I were to buy them in Canada on Weavers. I was shook, just shook. The total was $122 and it charged me only $119 on my credit card. I thought it was gonna be more expensive and I thought they were gonna charge me a lot of fees, which would make it even more expensive, but it was cheaper because when I was exchanging the cash currencies in my bank in Canada, it was more expensive. Anyways, I was shook, so I'm like, should I just use credit card everywhere? Anyways, we got 8 things. One of them is the shopping bag, which costed 100 won, which is like 1 cent. First we have here, this was free. I saw this, so I snatched it up. Wow, should we go to the In the Suit house? I need to read this. I thought we had to pay for this, but anyways. Second, my sister got a Hybe Insight shirt. This wasn't the one she wanted, but that was the one she wanted was not in the store. Here it is. Wow, I'm sweating, y'all. It's hot. Like it's not even sunny at all. It's cloudy and it's so hot. Like there's sun. I was shook. Anyways, Let me show you guys my sister's stuff first, and then we'll get to my stuff. And then my sister got Hybe Insight 17 photo cards to give to her friends. She's giving this to her friend. This was, oh, the shirt was only 30 something. I was shook. 30 equivalent to Canadian. $34 Canadian. So it's probably like less than 30 for Americans out there. But anyways, isn't that so cheap? This here, the 17 photo cards were $19. How is the shirt gonna be 30 and the photo card's gonna be $19? Okay, and that's the end of my sister's stuff. Now let's look at my stuff. Here we have my BTS photo cards. These were also, you could get these pictures for the tickets for the regular museum entrance. But as you remember, I did not go to the regular museum because we were late. Anyways, here it is. Here is permission to dance photo card frame. I'm pretty sure there's photo cards in here when I saw it on display. Beautiful, beautiful. The price for this was $12. 22 PTD tour message, $12. How is this cheaper than the other one? I'm sure. Then we have this. This was $9. Isn't this so cheap? Like, this is giving AliExpress prices. Then I have here BTS postcard book, $22. I think because these are Hybe Insight theme, they're more expensive than the PTD ones. And then we have here a moving picture, and I believe that this picture is a screenshot, screen capture of one of the exhibition screens, which unfortunately we did not see because remember we did not attend that. And that is it. This one was $7. So cheap. I'm just shook. If this was in the Toronto pop-up shop, this would be probably 30 bucks. The Toronto pop-up shop was so expensive. But anyways, yeah, that is that. Unfortunately, we cannot visit Hybe Insight Museum again. As you remember, they're closed for the rest of my trip to prepare for Proof Exhibition. So unfortunate. And I will not be going to Proof Exhibition because I will not be here when it opens. So unfortunate. At least we got this and called it a day. Next year when we go to Japan and fly to Korea for one day, that's when we go to the BTS museum again. It's 7:30 a.m. now. We'll be headed to our next Airbnb soon. We have to check out of this Airbnb by 12 and check into the next Airbnb at 2, and the taxi is less than an hour, so we're just gonna be standing out there for an hour. If you're wondering why we have 2 Airbnbs, for those who don't know, we rented this Airbnb so we could go to Hybe Insight for the day that it's open, the one day that it's open while I'm here. I'll see you guys then, because I will not be vlogging us in the taxi and going there with our suitcases. It's such a stress. I'm just thinking once we're finally stationed at that Airbnb and we don't have to bring our suitcase everywhere, then it will be a stress-free life. I'm pretty sure this one is for, I don't know, but there's a clothing sign and there's fabric. This translated weird. It said for drums. Anyways. Let me take shit after this. Hello, it is currently 5 a.m. Just finished up day 2. I slept from 8 to 5. My sister and I were like, only sleep after 12, so we're not tired the next day at night. But I couldn't help it. I haven't vlogged much these past 2 days, so I probably combined the days in the vlog. Sorry y'all, but they were super uneventful. Today, day 2, was basically us just chilling at that first Airbnb and then struggling with our suitcases on the train, on the taxi to our next Airbnb. And then we just went to the convenience store, bought some quick food, as you saw in the previous clips, ate it, and stayed in the Airbnb because we were tired. Originally, we were supposed to go to Dongdaemun Design Plaza. Technically, we were there today because we got off at that station, but we're just gonna move it to another day because we have 3 days open still. And the taxi was a struggle. We were walking everywhere trying to get a taxi to pick us up, but no taxis would pick us up, I think because we were like on a random place in the street. But then we walked somewhere, and since that area was populated with tourists, I believe there was a tourist information booth. So I went there and I asked them, hey, how can we call a taxi because they keep declining us on the app? And they were like, well, there's actually a taxi pickup place a little bit across the street in front of this building. It was like past the Hello APM building. So then we got there and the taxi man took us right away. He was super nice, super nice. He took everything, he put it in the car super fast. He was nice. And we got to our Airbnb, and let me tell you, the way to our Airbnb is downhill, but if we're gonna leave our Airbnb, it's all uphill. And I just know I'm gonna be struggling every morning. I'm gonna be sweating first thing in the morning, and my hair's gonna be greasy no matter how much I wash. That was that. I'm not sure what else I have to tell you guys for the past 2 days. Oh, here is our Airbnb tour. Our door. Closets. As you can see, walk in. This is the washroom. Okay, walk in. The kitchen area. Laundry machine. Fridge, which mainly has water. And freezer. There's a microwave there. Couch. Laundry rack. A bunch of things we bought that you will see in later vlogs. My sister's room. What the fuck? Tiny ass bed. Cacti. Cacti. And now we walk. What is that door for? And now we can walk here. My room. Huge ass room. Huge ass room. All the things I bought that you'll see in later vlogs. Mirror. Hey. And that's all to it. And now that is all there is for today and yesterday's vlog. I'll see you guys later. Tomorrow's vlog hopefully will be more exciting. I don't think it will because I feel embarrassed recording it in public. I'll see you later tomorrow. See ya.
This is more than a crash, more than like more than a lie. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't keeping ass. This is more than a crash, more than like more than a lie. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't keeping ass. Don't run away, don't run away from the truth, cause I'm not giving up on you. Don't run away, don't run away from the truth, cause I'm not giving up on you.